Today I'm going to show you how to make 3 really cool toys out of a Coke bottle. We will also need a few other bits and pieces which you will probably find around the house. Start by taking a bottle of Coke, empty it out, then wash it out with some water. For the first toy, I'm actually going to be using the bottle top. Place it on the table. Then we need to take a push pin. We're going to be making a spinning top, and we need to use this push pin to pierce a hole straight through the centre of the bottle top, like this. Next, we're going to take a bit of plasticine. I'm using red to match the colour of the bottle top. And we need to fill the lid about 3/4 full with the plasticine, so it looks like this. Next, take your pin and push it through the cap like this to make a central hole in the plasticine. And now push the pin through the hole the other way. And that's our bottle top spinner complete and ready to use. Just give it a flick between your finger and thumb and watch it spin. The added weight of the plasticine helps it to keep momentum and spin for longer. It's a really cool little spinning top and dead easy to make. For the next toy, we need to take the bottle and remove this red plastic ring. I'm using a small screwdriver to get underneath it and help prise it off. When you're done, we need to take a sharp knife or maybe a saw and cut off the top of the bottle like this. The plastic is really thick here, so it takes a bit of cutting. Do be careful. Once you've cut it off, you might find it's a little bit jagged and not that straight. So you can take a piece of sandpaper and use that to make it smooth. Next, we need to take a balloon and use a pair of scissors to cut off the end, so it looks like this. Then we need to take the top of our bottle and stretch the balloon over it, so we've got something which looks like this. Then take the red plastic ring we removed earlier and push it back down over the bottle top and over the balloon. This will help to hold the balloon firmly in place. This is going to be our DIY slingshot. And we're going to be firing these cotton buds, or Q-tips as you may call them. Load one into the bottleneck, pinch it in the balloon and pull it back, and it's ready to fire. It can be quite powerful, so make sure you never aim it at anything living. Toys make great target practice. And for the final toy, we're going to carefully chop off the bottom of the bottle, like this. If you find you're left with jagged edges, you can cut them off with scissors. Then place it upside down on a cutting mat, and use something like a screwdriver to pierce a hole through the centre of the base, like this. Don't worry if it's not quite central. Then take a sponge cloth, like this, place the bottle base on it, and draw a turtle shape around it, like this. Use some scissors to cut it out, and this is going to be the body of our turtle, with the bottle base as a shell. You can trim down the edges to get it into a nice shape. Next we need to take the bottle base, and I'm squirting in some green waterproof acrylic paint. Then painting the entire inside of the plastic, like this. And leave it to dry. When it has dried, we're going to sit it on top of the sponge, and I'm fixing it in place with some string and a button on top and underneath. And it's looking really good. You can use a marker to draw on some detail. And that's our turtle toy complete. Pretty cool, huh? It's good fun to make, and it makes a great bath toy for kids. I hope you've enjoyed watching this video. If you want to see more, you can click on the links or take a look at my YouTube channel page. Stay safe, have fun, and as always, thanks for watching.